Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 1997 Ford F150. Customer's complaint is does not start. Don't click, doesn't do anything at all. Lights on the dash come on, everything comes out bright, but it just doesn't start. So we're going to find out what's going on with this truck right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Everyone, I'm Stephanie Pooch, and welcome to another edition of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Everyone, I'm Stephanie Pooch, and welcome to another edition of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Alright guys, first of all, let's verify the complaint. Get in. Nothing at all. Whoops. Okay. Let's sometimes the neutral safety switch is like a little bit of off an adjustment. So let's hold this, put this up all the way up in park. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let's put it down in neutral. Okay. Perfect. Up the park. Look at that. We're good to go. Now, if we want, I could let the customer know, let's get a neutral safety switch, but you don't want to do that. Save the customer money. That's all he has to do. Just make sure it's all the way up in park, and we're good to go. We're good.
This video deserves a thumbs down.
Yeah, buddy. Why?
What?
Hey, it was a simple.
That didn't help me at all. And
It
when
did
my
help.
truck don't start.
It
helped
helped
me.
Hey. It didn't start. The customer was worried that it didn't start, so it does help out a lot of come across the same issue with Fords. We noticed this problem is particularly with Fords, so just make sure that thing is up in park. Yeah, that's right. Put it up in park. Get it there. That kind of I heard like a like a. It's like it didn't engage.
Why so loud?
I don't know, exhaust system. I don't know. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna try this for a few more times, make sure everything is good, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 97 F150, and the issue was that it wouldn't start. It wouldn't crank, it wouldn't start. So it just turned out to be that you have to make sure that your shifter's all the way up in park.
Especially on Fords.
Right.
What.
So, I hope this video helps somebody out there. I don't know. To me, it's a cheesy video.
It's not a cheesy video.
Down.
Because you never know. People come across this problem and be like, wow, it was just that. Yeah.
Okay. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can.
Yeah, buddy. You gotta do.
Also, make sure you watch the video for tomorrow. We got a special surprise. So keep an eye out for a video
But
tomorrow.
what about the year,
All right?
buddy?
See you next time.
Ugh.